If you are planning a website redesign, you may want to take notes on how the world of dynamic content is shaping up. We take an in-depth look at the world of dynamic content in this episode of the Insights video series. But before we begin, would you like one of our website pros to take a look at your site and identify how to use dynamic content strategically and visually? If so, request a one-on-one with an expert at the Direct Images Interactive website. Without a doubt, dynamic content is taking marketing departments by storm. Customization has become a top concern when it comes to user experience and brand management. Customization isn't just a trend. Don't expect it to be on its way out anytime soon. Having the ability to personalize each visit a lead or prospect has within your website is the ultimate marketer's goldmine. That being said, if you want to lower your PPC costs, increase ROI, and build customer engagement, you must first know and understand your audience. This means knowing what they want, when they want it, and presenting the information in an easily consumable manner if your focus is on dynamic content. Developing smart content is kind of like organizing a birthday party. You have to know who's on the guest list, what they like and don't like, and plan how you're going to juggle all of the tasks involved in a successful event. Content strategy and development processes will help ensure you have not skipped a step in your static to dynamic website redesign. Before you start organizing your static or dynamic content, you must first explore the needs, wants, and pain points of your current and potential website visitors. This is a vital step in the process and one that if skipped could detour your success. First, determine your buyer personas. Once you know who you are talking to, you should narrow down the reasons they may be visiting your site. These answers are generally parallel to the products or services you offer and the industry of your work. If you have established a content marketing mix with your inbound marketing game plan, you may already have these details documented. If this is the case, be sure you are using the metrics and analytics best practices for building a content production machine. Smart content, although advanced, is just like any other content marketing tactic. Research, plan, develop, review, tweak, publish, and repeat. Smart content is a great way to customize your user's experience with your brand and to delight them into an evangelist by putting their needs above all others in every way possible. In order to do that, you must be in touch with your brand and how the general public will view it. Next, on to dynamic content exploration. You will need to develop a content strategy based on where and when you will be presenting unique content specific to the website visitor. Remember, you are creating a user experience, not a hodgepodge of shiny objects. You should always aim to provide value over pizzazz. When mapping your new website, it is important to place the dynamically generated content in locations that serve a purpose. The strategy behind the placement and presentation should fall in line with the high-level marketing goals and site performance metrics your company is working towards. After all, nifty features mean nothing if they are not providing value for your website visitors and helping increase revenue or moving the needle on ROI for your business. The purpose of your content should also align with your content editorial guidelines. Just remember, all of the cool effects in the world will not encourage your readers to stick around unless you're adding value or guiding them in the direction of resolve. Once you have established the proper target for buyer personas and developed the unique informative content for each, you can begin mapping the content. This process is generally handled by a back-end web developer and is a rather simple process. Set the criteria for each of the unique sets of dynamically generated content and map it accordingly. If you notice your results are not even close to what you had expected, you can, just like with any other marketing tactic, A/B test your content. It may take a few iterations to better your metrics, but you are well on your way to increased revenue, increased customer lifetime value, and customized success. As always, we are here to make you look good. Let us know how we can help.